In this video, let's see how to create message templates on Salegrowy. So let's get started on it. As you can see, this is the dashboard of Salegrowy. Here on the left side, you will see the options template. Click templates. This is the overall template tab. Here you can see all the templates you have created previously. To create a new template message, click create new template. Here we can give the template name. For example, amazing discounts. But note, it will not be visible to your customers. The template name may contain only letters, number, dashes and underscores. And now we can select the language code EN for English. And the next option is category. Here we have two options, marketing and utility. Marketing is ideal for promotions and non-urgent updates, and the utility option is for transactional messages like order confirmations and delivery alerts. And for our template, we can click the option marketing for amazing discounts. And next option, we can see header. We can click the header type. We can see various options on it. Text, media, image, video, document and location. For adding a text-based content, we can click text option, and for adding the image-based content, we can click the image option, and for video-based content, we can click the video option. And for example, we are going to add a text, so we are going to click the text option. Here we can type the message as after typing the message, we can go to the next option. The next option is body. Here you can give the content section of your message that you're going to convey to your customer. Let's see one example for it. Here we can type the content and we have to add variable. Here we can click a sample name. Next, we are going to add the greetings. For bold content, we can click the option star. Or else you can simply click the bold option here. And now we can type the message. Here you can see the preview of the template. Next, we are going to see the option footer. The footer and the buttons option are optional. Footer is used to add a short line of text to the bottom of your message. For example, you are welcoming your customers to the restaurant, so that you can add a short message at the footer. Here you can see the template preview. And for adding the buttons, it will let the customers respond to your message or take action. For example, click the quick reply button. We can add n number of options. For example, book a table. And we can again click quick reply button. For the second option, we can type show catalog. Now the customer can click either book a table or show catalog. We also have options like phone number button, copy code button, URL button and dynamic URL button. And now we can click the submit button. Here are some other templates that can be created based on various categories. After uploading our template, it will be marked as green in color and showed as approved. Next, you can send these message templates to your customers. In the previous session, we have shown how to add contacts individually or in bulk. Check the description and click the link below to know more about the contact section. You can send message templates to a wide number of customers in one click by running campaigns. Go to campaigns. This is the campaign tab where all your executed campaign details are shown. Click create new campaign. Select the template that you want to send to your customers. Now I am selecting amazing discounts. This is how it appears once you select your template. Here you can see the template you have chosen and the preview of your message. Now you can also select the groups you want to pick or also a single contact. Have to give a campaign title. Note this will also not be displayed to the customers. So I am selecting this as, and now we can schedule campaign. Yes, click yes. Now the test message campaign will be created successfully. It takes a few minutes to complete execution. Once executed, you can see the overall details like total contacts, total delivered, total read, total failed, and the overall status. Note, you can group n number of customers in one group and can run campaigns. In the next video, let's see more about the other features of Salegrowy, your smart WhatsApp CRM.